Have you ever had sauteed sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes that were, I usually have sweet potatoes that are sweet. You know, they have candied yams, but then I thought, why not have sweet potatoes that are sauteed? So, for breakfast. So, I don't think anything's wrong with that. I love potatoes. So, I thought I'd do a really quick clip on doing sweet potatoes, sauteed sweet potatoes. So, I have put in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and some canola oil. And I let it heat up in a skillet. This is really easy. And then I go ahead and put in about a half an onion and about a quarter of bell pepper. And I think that'll be okay. You're still going to have that sweetness in the sweet potato. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in my sweet potatoes because they're all going to cook together. Okay. And they're so good. Great with ketchup. If you can make a plum ketchup, yum. And then you want to add some sausage in it after it's done. Really good. And not only it's good for you, it doesn't cost very much. So a little bit, a pinch of salt and pepper. Okay. And then it's organic pepper, by the way. Yes, I had turned it off because these are nice batch of and then how you want to put it over like that. Rinsing off my hand. And I have it on like a high heat, but then I'm going to lower it because you don't want to scorch your potatoes, your sweet potatoes. You don't want to scorch them. And then, aren't those pretty? And they cook just like regular potatoes. You want to cook them till they're, you know, soft. If you want to add some paprika, I would add some paprika to them as well, because paprika, I don't know, gives it a nice little spicy flavor. And I'm going to add the smoked paprika. Okay, and just a little bit. With that paprika, I don't know, it does something to it. So that's like what, a 3/4 of a tablespoon, a teaspoon, excuse me, teaspoon. Just another to give it some color. Nice, pretty color. And if you want, this is a nice thing about sweet potatoes, they're so versatile. Cover that up, and simple, and yummy. And I'm going to put in a little bit more sweetness in there. Let me see. In a minute. Okay. I'm trying to cut an orange here. with one arm. I'm doing an okay job here. Okay, with one hand, that is. So remember that orange that I zested? So I'm going to add, I'm going to squeeze. Instead of your stock or whatever you use. Yum. Talk about farm to table. This is it. Add some orange to it. I'm going to give it a taste. So you have that sweet and savory with some orange. Yum. Who doesn't like that, huh? Squeeze that orange in there. Oh. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more smoked paprika. So I would say that's a good teaspoon. Nice teaspoon in there. I'm kind of winging it. Anyone can do these, really. So easy. So easy, easy, easy. Okay. Cover it up. Oops. Pick that up. Clean up a little bit, and you see, it only takes a little bit to cook. Just a little. Okay. And then just stir. Okay. Yum. Aren't those pretty? Oops. Try them. Oops. Oh, you see that? How that paprika is giving it a little bit of that nice, beautiful, darkened spots. And I love it. It's blackening. So, on those beautiful potatoes, which I love. Bring it to a whole different flavor. Look at how beautiful that is. And then I lowered the heat to make sure. And that's how you want them. Try that again. Oh yeah, look at that. See that? Mmm. Yum. The sweetness of the potatoes are coming through with the orange in there. And the potato just, you see how it's dry? Because the potatoes just sapped up all that orange. They're like little sponges. And then I put it on really low because I want them to really cook without scorching them all the way. I just want enough to give it a nice little flavor. Okay, there you have it. Your sweet potatoes. All right, talk to you later.